Hello, I'm Anton. It's day 30, which means a full month of crypto installments. On the 30th day of the daily crypto installment program, February 9th, 2025, I purchased as usual 20,000 Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, 10,000 XRP. Those who watch my videos every day might get bored, but that's okay, as long as I don't get bored and keep doing it every day. I believe that persistence in doing something will definitely bear fruit in the future. Why do I hold to this principle? Because I'm not a smart person, so I have to overcome it with diligence and perseverance. Don't stop watching this video, because besides buying crypto in installments, I also share knowledge about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Today we'll discuss, what's the difference between Ethereum and Bitcoin? Bitcoin focuses on being a digital store of value like gold. Meanwhile, Ethereum has additional functionality. It can run applications and smart contracts. Bitcoin is like gold, Ethereum is like electricity. One is stored, the other is used to run the system. Both are important and valuable, which is why I'm sharing both. And for those of you who are younger, please help share this video with your elders. I'm sure many seniors want to learn, but don't know where to start. One video you share could help someone understand today's new technology raising hands, and for those who still want to learn more about crypto, please subscribe so you don't miss the next video. See you in tomorrow's video.